Structure of atmosphere. Structure of atmosphere. Yes, 2 minutes, you see. Earth. Normally, guys, where will you have high temperature? Where will you have low temperature? Yes, A and B. Which one? B is? Okay. As you go above, what happens normally? Temperature decreases. So, can we say this is what? High temperature. This is what? When I taught you about convection, do you recollect with increase in height? If temperature decreases, can I say cold will be heavier and it comes down? Hot rises. What is this process called as? Convection. So, troposphere is a layer where convection is observed. And if you have vertical rising, can there be adiabatic cooling? Will there be cloud formation, rainfall? Everything is observed in which layer? Troposphere. But why do you have decrease in temperature is prelims question. First, you see, can I say during degassing, lot of gases came from the earth? Yes. Was it held by earth's gravity? Yes. That means, can I say more density of particles are present closer to the earth, and as we move above, density decreases. Correct? First lecture, first topic. High density leads to high temperature. Do you recollect? High density leads to high pressure leads to high temperature. Low density leads to low pressure leads to low temperature. So, as I go above, density decreases. And as density decreases, temperature also decreases. Second, you tell me, water vapor. Can I say from yesterday's class, 90% of water vapor is present within 3 kilometers? That means more water vapor is below. As I go above, water vapor reduces. And now you tell, if water vapor is more, can I say it absorbs sun's rays also, earth's rays also? Because of this, temperature will be more if water vapor is more. As there is more water vapor closer to the earth compared to layers above, temperature below will be more compared to above. Third, from heat budget, I want you to recollect. Sun is the major source of heat for earth, and earth is a major source of heat for atmosphere. So, if earth is hot, can I say air layers closer to the earth will be hotter? And as we move above, can I say temperature decreases? So, what is the third point? Earth is the major source of heat for atmosphere. Okay. So, what are the two things here you tell? First is what? Density. Density reduces as we keep moving above. So, temperature also reduces. Second is what? 90% of water vapor is present within 3 kilometers. Third is earth is the major source of heat for atmosphere. Based on these three aspects, we say in troposphere there will be, what do we call it as? Convection. Okay guys, which is the convective layer of the atmosphere is the question. Which is it? Troposphere. Now, 2 minutes, observe carefully. 90 degrees poles, 0 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 30, 60, 90. Now, let me assume there is air here. same air will be there everywhere. Can you tell me which one will be hot among this? Yeah. 0 to 30. Can I say it's hotter? 30 to 60 will be moderate. 60 to 90 will be cooler. Correct? Now you tell, if earth is hot, that is land is hot, what will happen to air above it? Will it expand or will it contract? It gets heated and it expands. Okay? What will happen to the cold airways? What will happen to the cold air? Compresses. Everyone see now. Within troposphere, near equator, air has expanded. Near poles, air has compressed. You see, can I say height of troposphere is not same? Has it increased from poles to equator? So near equator, it is present at 18 kilometers. Near poles, it is present at 8 kilometers. Average is 13 kilometers. Are you getting the point? So what is prelims question? The height of troposphere changes with latitudes. Do you agree with me? Yes. Does it change with latitude? Yes. Think about it and tell. Summer season, can I say land is hot? If land is hot, air above will also be hot. Hot air expands. Yes. Winter season, what is going to happen? Cold. Can we say it? Compresses. That means, can I say with the seasons, height changes? Yes. Height changes with two things. What are the two things? One is latitude height changes. Another one is with seasons. Are you getting the point? So, can we tell what are the aspects? Prelims question, very simple. Troposphere has a characteristic of two aspects. One, with increase in height, temperature decreases. Can you tell the reason? Three reasons you should tell. What are the three reasons? Density is more closer to the earth. Water vapor is more closer to the earth. Earth is the major source of heat. So layers closer to the earth will be hotter. As we move above, it will hot. Now you tell with increase in height, if temperature decreases, will you have convection or no convection? There will be convection. Due to convection, there will be adiabatic heating and cooling. As there is adiabatic cooling, there will be cloud formation. And why will you have cloud formation? Because I have two things. Dust particles are also present in troposphere. Water vapor is also present in troposphere. Do you agree with me? Because of these two, clouds will be formed. If clouds are formed, is there possibility of rainfall? And you have rainfall, snowfall, every phenomena is present in which layer? Troposphere. Is the height of troposphere same or does it change? Average height is 13 kilometers. It changes from poles to equator. It changes with seasons. Why is it changing? Because troposphere is under the influence of the earth. So if earth temperature changes, atmospheric temperature also changes. Are you getting the point? Very, very important, guys. Most repeated questions are on troposphere. UPSC may ask once in a while. You take any exam, atmosphere, one question will come. Okay. So, you write down troposphere. It is the bottommost layer. It is the bottommost layer of atmosphere. Which is under the influence of Earth's surface. almost 90%, of atmospheric gases are present within troposphere. Next point, 99% of water vapor of water vapor and almost 100% of dust particles are present within troposphere. Next point, within troposphere, temperature decreases with height. Because mark as very important. Because first point, more density of particles are present closer to earth and density decreases with height. Because most of it is held by Earth's gravity. As density decreases, temperature decreases. Next, 90% of water vapor, 90% of water vapor is present within 3 kilometers of the Earth's surface. First, it absorbs insolation and OTR. Due to this, Due to this, as temperature due to this, as water vapor increases, temperature increases. Next, third one. Earth is the major source. Earth is the major source of heat for atmosphere. And as we move away from the earth, temperature decreases. Next point. With increase in height, as temperature decreases, there will be convection. You wrote this? Convection, which leads to different clouds and precipitation. Next point. The height of troposphere is 13 kilometers. 13 kilometers. So, as it is under the influence of earth surface temperature, height of troposphere, increases from poles to equator. Near poles, it will be 8 kilometers. And near equator, it will be 18 kilometers. Next, last one. The height of troposphere changes with seasons. Draw this question.